Good afternoon. Continuing on with the Tableau assignments, we're now into Chapter 7. The assignment we have builds on what we found in Chapter 6. In Chapter 6, we found that there were payrolls that were being made on Saturday. And now what we've been asked to do is to create a graphic that highlights the employee who has payroll that's being processed on Saturdays and the dates of these that it has been processed. So once again, this is a Word document. You will be importing your document, your graph from Tableau, and then doing the analysis over here. So let's go back to Tableau. And this is where we had stopped or ended Chapter 6, where we had said that there were 8 payroll processings on Saturday. Now we are not concerned with the payroll that's been processed during the weekday. So here's what we would do. Go to each of these weekdays, right-click on it, and click Exclude. So it excluded Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So now all that we're left with is Saturday, and this is the analysis that we need to do. As you can see over here on Saturday, we have 8 counts and we have $66,900 that have been processed. We need to find out who got these monies. So I'll take the last name and drag it out over here, and take the first name and drag it out over here. And then I will move the weekday to reorder these items over here. So now that I have all of this information laid out over here, let's see what next I need to do. Now I need each of these 8 days. I need the details. So I'll go to the date and click on the More button and click on Custom. And here I will specify I want day, month, day, and year. I want the exact dates. And I say okay. So now what you see over here is it's telling me the 8 different dates. On each of these days, only one payroll has been processed for Christine Alexander. So we can take this one out from here. We don't need this anymore. Okay, so this one I can say remove, and I don't need that. So now what I have is, I see that it's Alexander Christine. She has this payroll being processed. Let me just reorder to have first name. Nope, I just have the last name, which is fine. Or I can bring the first name in and put it in over here. So I have Christine Alexander, first name, last name, and then I have the dates when it has been processed. I have all of this information that I need over here. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is I need to take this gross, the measure, and bring it to the marks box. Let me try that again. Bring it to the marks box. And then I take this onto the labels. So now what this does is it tells me on April 28th, 2018, Christine Alexander was paid $2,400. On August 25th, 2018, she was paid $9,750, so on and so forth. We have all the details over here. So some things that you need to kind of pay attention to is there any pattern to the dates that she has picked when she's paying herself on Saturday? What can you tell from this? Okay, so what you need to do now is, once again, you go to the snip tool and you will snip this information out of here. And you can now copy this and bring this into your Word document and bring it over here to the section where we have the graph from Tableau. And you would paste it. And again, you need to resize it and make it smaller so that visually I can now see this over here and do the discussion. You're free to kind of change these graphs around, obviously, to the way you think it's visually more appealing to you, change colors, etc. Remember, Tableau is a data visualization software. It's these visuals that is supposed to tell you the story. And here you're going to tell me the story. I don't want the story of how you extracted the data and created the Tableau graph. What I need is your analysis over here. So with this, we will now move on to the next exercise.